Hi everyone, welcome back to the Curry Cooks. A big hi to all our new subscribers and welcome back to the old subscribers. Hope you're enjoying the videos and trying out the recipes. The proof, they say, is of the pudding is in the eating. So if you tried it and you liked it, leave us a comment. And if you want us to put up a demonstration of a recipe for you, let us know and we'll definitely try to get it on for you. Today we're making chicken Rogan Josh, which is a delicious, very tasty chicken dish. So I will now show you the ingredients that we need for chicken Rogan Josh. 3 large chicken breasts chopped up into large bite-sized pieces. 2 onions roughly chopped. I've chopped everything roughly. This is because we'll be blending all the ingredients to make a smooth paste. So roughly chopped 2 large onions. 1 inch of ginger, again roughly chopped, and 5 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. Here we have just under a teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is ground fennel seeds. If you have just fennel seeds, you can use those, or you can grind them down in a blender, but we'll be grinding the paste down anyway, so just under a teaspoon of ground fennel seeds I have here. A pinch of saffron, 1 inch stick of cinnamon, 2 dried red chilies, you can use more if you like your food hot, 2 bay leaves, and a teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of butter, and a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or any oil you prefer to cook with. 3 large tablespoons of yogurt, plain natural yogurt. Okay, into a pan, add a tablespoon and a little bit more of vegetable oil. As soon as it's hot, add the cumin seeds. Give the cumin seeds a short while to start changing colour, start to roast. Turn the heat up if you're happy to do so, as long as you watch that they don't start to burn. After about 36 seconds, add your chili, add your onions and fry until the onions are golden brown. Don't forget to drop in your cinnamon stick as well. So fry this until the onions are softened and become a deep golden brown. Okay, my onions are browning away on the side here, and here I have a frying pan into which I'm going to add my butter. So my butter has melted. Have this on quite a high heat. I will add the chicken and fry the chicken until it's browned on all sides. So quite a high heat, and cook the chicken. The chicken is becoming golden brown now. I'll just turn down the heat for a minute and I will add my 3 tablespoons of yogurt. In goes 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now cook this until the yogurt has dried out. Okay, as you can see, most of the yogurt and the liquid have evaporated. There's only a little bit there, and I can use that for the sauce. So I'll move that to the side and bring back my onions, which are now golden brown. To these I will add the ginger, add the garlic, cook for about a minute and a half or less, just giving the garlic and the ginger time to cook. Since I added the ginger and garlic, I've been cooking for just under a minute, not too much. I'm going to now let this cool, and then I'm going to take it into a blender and give it a blitz and make it into a smooth paste. And there we have it, smooth paste, to which I will add my cooked chicken. Give it a good mix. Add your saffron, pinch. Add the ground fennel seeds, 2 bay leaves, and salt. I have a teaspoon. You can use more or less as you wish. Good mix. Add 1 cup of water. Another good mix. You can add more water if you prefer it more sauce, runny sauce, but a nice thick sauce is just ideal. Cover that and cook for no more than about 10 minutes because the chicken is almost cooked already. After 5 minutes, just check the chicken to make sure that the sauce isn't completely drying out. If you find that it is, just add a little bit more water and then cover and cook for another 5 minutes. So my chicken has been cooking for a further 5 minutes, total of about just over 10 minutes, and it's beautifully cooked and it smells absolutely delicious. The smell, I can smell the cinnamon, the garlic and the ginger. It smells fantastic and it's ready to serve.